Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use any social apps on cover screen of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So I'm easily use any social site, Instagram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Spotify, Facebook, Snapchat, everything. So you need to first set up this. So at first open your settings, scroll down, click on to advanced feature, press on, scroll down, click on this option. Make sure to turn on and open it. So look here, only allow 5 apps. Scroll down, click on this option, and you need to first install this. At first time remove all apps from here. If you want to add all your installed apps, just select, then automatically add in this section, and select all, like my social site. Okay, now go back. Now successfully add. And now check in, showing here my all apps.